Between now and 2050, humanity will witness incredible breakthroughs that seem straight out of science fiction, along with challenges that could reshape our world forever. In 2026, driverless robotaxis are expected to enter Europe for the first time through Uber and Wave in the United Kingdom, marking the beginning of a new era in urban transportation. That same year, the United States, Mexico, and Canada will host the biggest FIFA World Cup in history, featuring 48 teams. It may also be the final World Cup appearance for two of the greatest football legends ever. Meanwhile, SpaceX plans to send its first uncrewed toward Mars, although the timeline remains uncertain. Human missions are now expected to follow later, possibly in 2029 or even 2031. In 2027, NASA's Artemis 3 mission aims to return astronauts to the moon for the first time in more than half a century. The crew will include the first woman and the first of color to set foot on the lunar surface, while two astronauts are expected to spend an entire week exploring the moon's south pole, a region believed to contain valuable ice deposits to support future missions. On August 2nd, 2027, millions of people across Spain, North Africa, and the Middle East will experience one of the longest total solar eclipses of the century, with more than 6 minutes of darkness. A similar event will not occur again until 2114. In 2028, Los Angeles will host the Olympic Games for the third time, joining Paris and London in an exclusive club. At the same time, Saudi Arabia hopes to complete the Jeddah Tower, which is expected to become the first structure in history to surpass 1 kilometer in height, towering above Dubai's Burj Khalifa. By 2029, the asteroid Apophis will make an extraordinarily close approach to Earth, passing closer than many satellites and becoming visible to the naked eye across parts of Africa, Asia, and Europe. Scientists expect that same year to mark the complete eradication of polio, making it only the second human disease ever eliminated through vaccination, after smallpox. Also in 2029, the extremely large telescope in Chile is expected to see its first light. Equipped with the largest optical mirror ever built, it will allow astronomers to search for distant Earth-like worlds and explore the universe with unprecedented precision. Enter the 2030s, the world will face cold deadlines. Global climate goals, sustainable developments, and ambitious economic plans will all reach these moments. At the same time, revolutionaries such as fault-tolerant quantum computers and gene-modified organ transplants could begin transforming medicine, science, and the future promises astonishing progress. But it will also bring challenges unlike anything humanity has faced.